na božično noč. Today we will talk about a song na božično noč, on Christmas night, performed by Pop Design. This is another one of the most popular holiday season songs in Slovenia. I will leave the link to the song in the description box below. Zapadel je prvi sneg. The first snow has fallen. Zapasti means to fall. A more general word is pasti. For example, if you fall down, you use the word pasti. Zapasti is used specifically for snow and in some other contexts. Pobelil sosednji breg. Whitened the neighboring hill. Pobeliti means to whiten. Sosednji means neighboring. Breg means hill. Zvezde na nebu nocoj svetlikajo se. The stars in the sky are sparkling tonight. Zvezda means star. Nebo means sky. Nocoj means tonight. Svetlikati se means to sparkle. Na ulici sam stojim. I am standing alone in the street. Ulica means street. Sam means alone. Stati means to stand. Vesel sem, a se bojim. I am happy, but I am afraid. Vesel means happy. A or ampak means but. Bati se means to be afraid. Da sam bom nocoj ostal. That I will stay alone tonight. Ostati means to stay. A vem, da ne bom te iskal. But I know that I will not look for you. Vedeti means to know. Iskati means to look for. Zdaj dvignimo čaše, polnoč je. Let's raise glasses now. It's midnight. I would like to note that it is not really customary to toast at midnight on Christmas Eve. Rather, this is a New Year's Eve tradition. Therefore, this song is frequently played at New Year's celebrations. Zdaj means now. Dvigniti means to raise or to lift. Čaša is a glass or a cup. More common word for everyday glasses is kozarec. Polnoč means midnight. Naj vino ogreje mi srce. Let wine warm my heart. Naj means let. Vino means wine. Ogreti means to warm. Težko je, a ni mi žal, da sam sem ostal. It is difficult, but I don't regret staying alone. Težko means difficult. Žao mi je means I regret or I am sorry. Na božično noč, on Christmas night. That's all for this song. I hope you'll have a lovely Christmas Eve if you celebrate Christmas. And I hope to see you soon. Take care.